Go from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. Make me dancing in the stars.
Marco. Oh, and past that. That was yours.
As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter.
Do you want to wipe your hands first? There's our shelter. Let's enjoy here. You gonna stand in it or do you sit down? You wasn't pleased with it yesterday as well. Oh my god! Crow that came back. Does our food smell that good that we're coming? It's kind of bad. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna eat, like, especially there's hawky eyes on me. Oh my god, they're everywhere, look. Coming so close. See? Alright, we're leaving. The birds are following us. The birds were literally following us so close and we have to run. I'm scared of birds and I was running away. Even I got scared. I was like, no, they're actually following us. Oh my god, my heart's still pounding from those birds. I didn't know my cooking skills were that amazing, you know? Are they gone, yeah? Okay, the birds are gone. But literally, we was walking up these stairs, right? And landed right there. What the hell? Yeah, it's kind of sad that the birds are all hungry. But we need to feed ourselves, we're more important. Alright, we're making our way up to the castle now. Some more stairs. Oh wow, look! It's so pretty. We came from all the way up there. Natalie, are you ready for this hike? Ah. So this is Chain Bridge, and over there in the distance is Parliament. We're gonna head over there. So along the Thames is a Danube bank, which is where the shoes are. So we'll be heading over there. But first things first, up to the castle! So we found another location. I bought some coffee. It's actually quite nice, like a chocolatey, creamy coffee. We're having the lunch we made yesterday. The pigeons are coming! Jesus Christ, my husband must be banging. Go away! I can't even eat in peace. The struggles of a budget traveller. Was 750 Hungarian currency. So 750 Hungarian currency translates into pounds is £1.75, £1.95. We're trying to look for the castle. I thought we was at a castle, but we wasn't. So we're gonna roam around and hopefully find that. If we don't find it, no biggie. Let's enjoy the environment around here. It's really nice. It's not too cold, and I'm so happy it's not raining. So when we were eating, it was pouring. And the moment we left, the sun was peeping out. So that's really nice. But still cold. Such a happy feeling to be full and be able to travel and not worry about anything. No, I can hear. Spot that is friend. When you say it. We saw jacket. So I got a new jacket, as you can see. And so did she.
Yeah, I know, right? We went to Budapest Castle and we just, you know,
we got some new clothing.
New clothing, yeah.
Basically, Natalie's really cold and her hands were like freezing. So my jacket is very warm. So we switched.
It doesn't look like it, but it's actually really warm. It looks like a fleece, but it's so
It's
warm.
really warm, yeah. So we just left the, was it National Museum of the Castle of Budapest, and hopefully we're gonna find our way to the castle If we don't find it, we don't find it, but it'd be nice if we did. That's where we got attacked by birds and crows. Currently back at the hostel. I was looking to see the Parliament and the train bridge at night, so it was nice and lit up. But it was downpouring like crazy, so we just decided to head back. Our shoes are completely soaked. Our socks as well, but we put it on the heater. So this is the current situation at the moment. And yeah, we're just going to wait for it to dry and then we'll head out. We're going to head to this place for dinner. It's called Mazda. We're going to get this one. Comes around to £18. We might get dessert depending on how we feel. This is my bed, the hostel. When my mum saw this when I Skyped her, she was like, oh my god, like what area are you living at? It looks so dangerous. This is the current situation of the light. It flashes every now and then. I'm sorry about that. Maybe I'll do this. So we bought some postcards. So these are the postcards that we got from that stall that he gave us for food. If we said a happy birthday message to his cousin, that's what we did. But the reason why we got postcards is because we're gonna write each other a note and then it'll be like something we can look back on and be something fun. So this is the card I chose. And Naslie's gonna write it on this. Oh, it's outdoors, but then indoors. Someone's hungry. There's a live band happening behind these bars.
But for me, that kind of called it like a big rock.